Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ricoh printer MPC6003 model with service call error SC503-11. I wanna show you guys how to clear this SC code SC503. So let's start. Just now I turn up the machine and wait for some times. After you turn off the machine, you need to open this third tray. So you must remove the tray and check inside. So there is a paper that is stuck there in a drive. You need to remove the paper like this. Then after that one, you need to put back the tray number 3 and then turn on the machine for testing. So guys, the SC501 is for the paper tray number 1, SC502 tray number 2, SC503 is tray number 3, SC504 is tray number 4. So this is related for the trays. And now I'm going to testing the machine by printing this counter. So the machine is working fine. Thank you for watching.